Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Welcome back to Boat Project Part 4. This is the 1999 Searay 240 I've been restoring for the past 4 months. And if you check out my channel, last week we went through Part 3. We restored the outdrive. We got that installed, painted up, and got it operating. We also cleaned the whole entire boat. That turned out really well. I'll show you guys before and after right here. In this week's episode of the Cheap Boat Project, I'm going to show you guys this awesome boat cover I bought and where I got it from. Also, the sound system we installed in part 1, we're going to be wiring that in and trying it out, as well as installing a ladder. My name is Mac. I love building stuff. I started this channel about 9 months ago with my buddy, and he's unfortunately not here anymore. He took a job out of state. But we bought this motorcycle for $800, fixed it up, and we sold it. And we used the money from that to buy the boat we are currently working on right now. And the whole point of this channel is to see just how far we can get with just an $800 bike. The boat is almost done. We are going to be testing it out, and we will make a video about that. And we're going to sell it and buy another toy. So stick around. Now the boat cover, where I got this from, empire-covers.com. Super awesome. It's a trailerable boat cover. Head over to the website. They got any cover you could think of for auto or marine applications. They just have everything. Super cheap. The shipping was fast, and I was really satisfied with the product. Now, I will be including the link in the description below if you guys are interested in getting any kind of cover. Another item I wanted to touch base on regarding the boat cover is it is water repellent, and I was more than satisfied with the job it did on my boat because this was after a few storms during the work week, and it kept the boat super clean, super dry. Another product I did order from the same website is this extension pole, and what this does is prevents water from pooling in your boat cover during a storm. I highly recommend it. Super cheap, super effective. One thing I hate about boat covers is putting them on by yourself, but this one was fairly easy to put on by myself, and it doesn't take long at all. It takes about 5 minutes. It is labeled front and back, so you kind of have an idea of what you're doing. This is a trailable boat cover, so another awesome feature of it is you clip these buckles in and you just cinch it down. The boat cover does come with a boat cover storage bag, so you just roll it up, tuck it in there, and put it in the boat. Now, if you're watching Boat Project Part 1, we did install this radio, but we never got power onto it, so we went ahead and wired it up. As you can see here, it comes with a little weatherproof sealant lid. Now, another awesome feature is it is Bluetooth compatible, so you can listen to the music off your phone, anything you like. And I will be including a link down in the description below for where to buy this at. One thing I was really excited to get started on the boat is getting this ladder installed, because every time I had to climb up my boat, it went something like this. So I bought this ladder on Amazon. It was super cheap. I will be including the link down in the description, and it came with these 4 mounting holes. I've never installed something on fiberglass before, so I did a little bit of research. I found out that just like when tapping screws in the metal, you need to find your pitch diameter as well as the proper drill size to use. If you go online, you can find any basic tap drill chart. I use the same one for metal. After I got my holes drilled, I needed a heat source because I read online that you need to heat your bolts or screws before going into fiberglass, and I wanted to know why. So I decided to Google what's fiberglass made out of. Now the real kicker here is the last sentence. Fiberglass is combined with the resin to form an extremely strong and durable composite. So when you're heating that screw, it's going to get red hot, and once you drill it in, it's going to melt that resin, and you give it time to allow it to cool, and that resin will harden around your bolt or screw again. Now that I gave it time to cool off, it's time to test my ladder out. I hope you guys enjoyed Boat Project Part 4. If you guys did learn something, let me know in the comments below, and I will feature a comment in our next video. Have a good week, stay busy, stay safe, and thanks for watching.